Hundegger is a world leader in the manufacture of automated CNC woodworking equipment, predominantly for structural timbers, from frame and truss right through to mass timber and CLT alike. Back in 2019, Timberlink approached us about the possibility of setting up a CLT-GLT plant. And from that discussion, we formed a plan around how that plant might look and what equipment we might be able to offer them for the CNC processing of their CLT billets and later their GLT products.
NeXTimber are manufacturers of cross-laminated timber and glue-laminated timber, which are mass timber elements supplied into the built environment. Partnering with a brand like Hundegger has been instrumental in our successful launch into market. Aligning ourselves with a brand that's built a great reputation in the market as market leaders and built trust with their customers, it was really important for us, being a new brand, to align ourselves with a brand of similar values.
Hundegger as a business have been really excited to be given the opportunity to work with NeXTimber and to bring our expertise from the global markets and assist them in coming to market with a CLT product that is really stand out. We basically become consultants for our customers, and we look to understand in depth what their real requirements are, particularly with a greenfield site. Initially, that was to help get them in contact with different suppliers and look at developing a layout for that production flow that invariably ended up coming through one of our CNC machines, but also looking at how we get the best optimization out of the placement and the utilization of that machine. The PBA industry is capable of producing all your cut components from a single raw CLT billet, so including formatting, all your penetrations, window penetrations, door penetrations, rebates and alike for electrical and other ducting and services, all in one pass through the machine. We integrate with an appropriate CAD software and are able to take a 3D model into our software. Cambium's an easy software to get up and running with, but it's also a very complex software. Its unique ability to both optimize and provide high yield of the materials that it's processing with is second to none. That, paired with the quality of the machinery itself, the mechanization, means that Hundegger are in a really good position to offer a fast, reliable, high yield, which invariably gives the customer a very good recovery of their cut components.